Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Pop Month is an effort to recognize and attract more people into professions that improve people's lives through prosthetics, orthotics, and pedorthics. At the American Board for Certification, Steve Fletcher is Director of Professional Credentialing.
The technology side of our profession has really exploded. It has just enhanced and increased significantly. A couple examples that people may have heard of is 3D printing. We call that additive manufacturing, but it's a whole new way of fabricating a device that can be made extremely custom to an individual person's needs.
And of course, robotics and exoskeletons are bringing even more sophisticated tech into the fields as well. More info? Head to popmonth.org. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Power life with good energy. That's been the philosophy at GoSun. We've been telling you about their remarkable ovens that let you cook with the power of the sun, day or night, rain or shine. And the innovations there continue. I've been using a GoSun cooler for years. Keep your food cold or even frozen without the need for heavy and messy ice. You can plug it in at home, in the car, or use battery power recharged by the sun. One of the latest innovations is the solar heated seat. Founder Patrick Sherwin and his team have created a seat that can warm you up fast in any weather. The battery is long-lasting and can be charged by a solar panel built right into the seat. And when you don't need the heat, you can keep your devices charged using that same solar panel and battery wherever you go. They have a lot more to show you, so pay a visit at gosun.co.